Hello, Mariah and
Lauren,
reporting to you live from Target. Today, our big purchase was contact solution.
oh snap! I dropped one on the ground. Elmer's glue,
And we put a mixed slime in this bitch. Here we are, barbecue sauce on my titties.
So there I was, barbecue sauce on my titties. Here.
Okay, folks.
What's up?
Today, we're gonna be making slime. So first, you're gonna need a bowl, 2 bowls, spoons, clear comfort, Elmer's glue, and some agua. Now, second, start with the glue. Is my video going?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put these up right here because I can't fucking see shit.
So first you're gonna open your glue and there's gonna be a bubble. And then you're gonna eat it. No, I'm just kidding. Then you're gonna pour it in.
ASMR.
And it's gonna.
Are these gonna ruin my bowls? Are you using the whole thing?
Yes. So it better not fuck up.
Oh.
Oh.
And it should look like this so far.
Yep. Perfect.
Wait, do we know what we're doing?
Yeah.
Like, do you put like a lot of this clear?
No. You add a little at a time. You put water in first.
Bitch.
A little bit of water.
Okay.
It looks like a loogie.
Tell me when to stop.
Ah, stop.
I'm so nervous.
Me too. Just a little bit at a time. Don't overdo it. Mix that up first.
Okay, messed up. I think I put too much water.
That'll be fine.
Now you get the crack-a-lackin' with the content.
Oh shit.
You get a crack-a-lackin' with the contact solution.
Gently. More. Yeah, try that.
I think I put too much water in mine.
I think you just need to keep adding contact solution.
Look at my slime.
Guys.
What did we do wrong? What the fuck? I feel like you're supposed to mix them down. See, yours is kind of going a little bit.
Got any baking soda?
Yeah. Slime is hard work.
I think we fucked up.
Hey guys, so kind of we have a problem right now. Our slime is not really sliming. So if you could tell us what we did wrong in the comments, please comment down below. Were we supposed to put water in it?
Yeah.
As you can see, we done fucked up.
It's not working.
And it is not slime. Ooh. That looks cool though. So, don't really know what has happened here.
We put it in the microwave?
Technically, you could call this a fail because not sure what
I'm
is
getting hungry here. I gotta season my slime. I'm truly shook right now.
I'm just confused. I'm
We're
confused.
gonna try microwaving it one more time to maybe. Oh, what's that? Yours is thicker than mine.
I don't know. I just really want to eat it though.
We're gonna microwave it one more time, guys, and then
we'll come back.
Eat that, you'll die.
All I gotta say is
Oh!
Bone apple teeth.
I am actually thinking we made some sort of cancer chemical. We tried to make slime. We spent all of our dimes. We ran out of time, and now we're making a rhyme. My rhymes are slick. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying.
This is how our slime turned out. It worked out perfectly. Like, look how perfectly that slime is. We actually added some glitter in there too. It's so
We
dope.
didn't even get it at a store or anything.
Yeah, like nothing went wrong or anything. Like it worked.
Like
perfect.
nothing went wrong at all. Like it worked out. Put this on the like it looks so good.
Yeah, look how perfectly it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to watch more, and put a comment in the comment below if you wanna
that you
tell us what we should do next. Thank you so much for watching, and push that notification.
How are you? You talking? I just said the N-word and you're recording where I am.